Problem 20 asks us to find the zeros, solutions, roots, x-intercepts of this equation. So you remember this is a review from the last unit. So the first thing we want to do to solve is to get the right side over here equal to 0. So I'm going to do that by subtracting 28 from both sides. So I subtract 28 over here, subtract 28 over there. So when I rewrite this equation, I'm going to have that 2x squared minus x minus 28 is equal to 0. So in order to solve this equation, I'm going to need to put it in its factored form. So I'm going to start with my asterisks over here. 2 times 28 is 56. So I'm going to have a negative 56 because that's a 2 times a negative 28. Negative 1 here, and then 2x and 2x. So I knew that I could go straight to asterisks because my a term here is positive, and because I can't take any factors out of this equation, right? I can divide this by 2 and 28 by 2, but I can't divide negative 1 by 2 and get a nice integer number. So that means that I'm ready to factor. So looking at this, I need something that multiplies to give me 56, but adds to give me negative 1. So I can start writing out some of these 2 and 28 works. I know 3 doesn't work because when I add 5 and 6 together they make 11, and that's not divisible by 3. 4 probably works. It goes in 1, let's see, 14 times. 5 doesn't work, 6 won't work, 7 and 8 work. Oh, well, here we go. 7 and 8 are 1 apart, so I can put 7 and 8 in here, and I know that because my number is negative down here that I need my negative term to be the larger of the two terms. So that'll be a negative 8. Now on this side I can also reduce to get a negative 4 over x, and I have my two factors. So the first factor is going to be 2x plus 7, and my second factor is going to be x minus 4. So now we have it in its factored form. The last thing to do to find my solutions is to set each of these equal to 0. So I have 2x plus 7 equals 0, and I'll have x minus 4 equals 0. So on this side, I'm going to subtract 7. 2x equals negative 7. Divide by 2, x equals negative 7/2. On this side, I'm going to add 4 to both, x equals 4. So my two solutions, if you remember this kind of notation, are going to be negative 7/2 and 4.